Yeah. Destroy the motherboard. This is gonna be fun.
It's gonna come back and smack you.
It didn't look like it did much. Something flew out, but...
You knocked out the heatsink.
Nice! And the battery.
Oh no! Clear the CMOS.
Your turn or my turn still?
Have at it.
Damn!
Office spaces.
It's blinding.
What am I going to do with this?
I don't know.
A spear or something. So I have myself a nice nifty sword now.
Yeah! That poor thing. What's left of it? You know, it's funny, those things still look like they're in one piece even when they're all fucked up.
The second part of this video should be turning it on and seeing what happens.